The next thing now, use same like here the process, the same process you will use here. You must add this one, and also if desire the congested, click here and go to the corridor clear about is. You can clear these data, sometimes they are interacted with each other. So the next thing is for the roundabout, how you will prepare roundabout. So for this area, if I make draw a circle here from the center to this area, as you can see, or as I click here, for this part we will have a different surface. It will attach to the roundabout, and after that it will connect to this area. So you must have, before creating this you must have alignment which is connecting this one, the same level starting from here, so up to here, the same level it will connect it. So first thing here, let's say this is the VGL, the center of the profile. Then we will follow this one, and then our slope will go like this one, and from this side. So I will create a break point here because it's a center. So let's create a break point here. Okay, now I have a circle, so I will create alignment from this object. It's roundabout, I will roundabout or a label. I only need the station only, don't put this one on. Okay, so now if I will create the surface style for this one, the combined surface I will add. You will see here. Now if I start from here, the curve, it must be going, suppose let's draw a line here. I want to make a circle here, slab. So when I will start the circle, around about everything is okay here. I will make the tangent line. I will start from here, then it will go a little bit up, so like here. It must be turned. Let's say it's going here. This part is I created it. Okay, so now there are two curves here. The first curve is if it is going up, the next will go down like this. So it will go like this one and then connecting to this side. You can make like this, but what is the main thing here? The end elevation. If I go to the properties, the design value, and the vertical curves. Okay. If I check the elevation here, 674.61, 674.61. It must be the elevation. It's right, correct. So maybe the last one you have 6455. 55 and then 61, so it must be going above here little bit. 56, 60. So both 64, 64, 60. Okay, this is now 60 and then 61, so it will go. Maybe my line was not straight, I did not draw, but 62, so a little bit down. 60. Okay, now, okay, so it's almost 61, 61. So, what is the benefit of this? You are roundabout when you're starting from 0 to 85. 185 and 0 will have the same elevation. So it means it will go like here, and then it will connect exactly the same elevation. So you can draw this one from the alignment. If you don't like, you can change the style of the existence, the center line. There are many standard. You can change the center line. Okay, so because the two line was disturbing us, so like this you can create the profile. Now the next thing here, we need the assembly also. It's now because I can create profile, but I want to show you what the, the method how you can create profile for the roundabout. The next thing, you just draw. Suppose this is the center line, so up to here. Let's say this the edge of curve stone we have. So 715.01. This is the roundabout. Roundabout. So I will write here, and then I will create here. Okay. And if I go like this is my right side, this is my left side. So the right side is 17.01. The same thickness, I will copy one from here. Okay, right side 0. So going to the properties here. So this one, maybe something else was selecting with this one. So 17.01. You must check the slope. Maybe it will downward or upward, depending on the design. Okay, on the left side. On the left side we have a dimension here. This is 2.5. So on the left side, you will take mirror from this side. This is left side. So left side one I will make here. And now I will select the properties. This will be the positive one because it's going up in this 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. Better you have the typical section before creating this. So when you have typical section, you will make according to that one. Now I don't know if they have like this one curve stone or so. I will just copy these things from here. Let's select these things, and also we don't need this one. Just I will copy this one, copy and paste here. So let's move. I will adjust this one. This is the bottom one. So move to the bottom one here. Then the other one.